If you want more energy, better digestion, and overall better health, you might just need to add these 5 foods to your daily routine. I eat them every single day, and I can't wait to show you why they are total game changers. As a registered dietitian, I know how overwhelming it can feel to figure out what to eat with so many food choices out there. But the truth is, there are 5 simple nutrient-packed foods that I incorporate into my daily routine, and I want to share with you how they can be a game changer for your health. These foods are not only incredibly nutritious, but they're also super versatile and easy to add to your daily snacks and meals. I've been eating these foods daily for years, and I've personally seen huge benefits in my energy, my digestion, and just my overall health. So in this video, I want to show you how easy it can be to add these foods to your repertoire without complicated recipes. And by the end, you'll have practical tips to make these nutrient-packed foods a part of your everyday routine. My absolute number 1 is nuts. I eat a handful of different nuts every day. Yeah, every single day. I love nuts, and they're so much more than just a snack. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, and pistachios, pecans are a great source of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Plus, they are packed with micronutrients, vitamins and minerals like magnesium, zinc, and vitamin E, just to name a few. I always put nuts in my oatmeal. I'll chop up whatever nuts I have on hand. I'll add them to salads, to pestos, or just snack on a small handful of raw nuts throughout the day for a little energy boost. Actually, one of my favorite ways to snack on nuts is to throw a mix of whatever raw nuts I have on hand into a bowl like this. Then I add a few dark chocolate chips, maybe some dried fruit, some pepitas. I literally call this my nut mix, and I snack on it all the time. The beauty of nuts is that they're nutrient dense, they're filling, and they can keep your hunger at bay while also providing healthy fats. So the next time you're looking for a snack or a way to boost your meal, grab a handful of your favorite nuts. Number 2 is berries. Berries are one of the best things you can eat for your health. They might be small, but they are absolutely mighty when it comes to nutrition. I didn't really eat berries as a kid at all. Some strawberries here and there, blueberry pancakes every blue moon, but they weren't really part of my routine. But now that I'm a dietitian and I know not only how good berries are for your health, but how absolutely delicious they are, I eat them on the daily. And that goes for pretty much any berry. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, they are all rich in antioxidants and fiber and vitamin C. Blueberries in particular have been shown to have incredible benefits for our brain health, and the antioxidants in all berries are really powerful. And they also support our skin health and they help with digestion. My weekly grocery list always has berries on it, but fresh berries typically only last a few days between myself, my husband Devin, and our 3 boys. So I always also have frozen berries on hand. And I'll add frozen blueberries to my morning oatmeal. I'll slice fresh strawberries to put on some peanut butter toast with a drizzle of honey. I'll make a blackberry compote to go over Sunday waffles, or snack on blueberries straight from the fridge. Delish. Number 3, leafy greens. I know, a dietitian talking about green veggies might seem cliche, but hear me out. Do you think you get enough leafy greens in your diet? If not, it's time to change that, and here's why. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula are packed with vitamins A, C, and K, and minerals like iron and calcium, and they are shown to have anti-inflammatory benefits, benefits for our gut health, our heart health, and our brain health. And I always have some spinach on hand. If I'm having eggs in the morning, I'll throw in some baby spinach, or if I'm having a sandwich for lunch, a green of some sort will go on top of it with my other toppings. And then at dinner, greens are easy to incorporate. I even love to mix it up with the greens I use in pestos. Spinach pesto, kale pesto, the options are endless. Plus, spinach in a smoothie blends so nicely without adding too much of that green flavor. Leafy greens support everything from your immune system to your bone health, and they're low in calories, but they are high in fiber. And don't forget that frozen works really great too. I always have some frozen spinach in my freezer to add to soups, to stews, and pasta dishes for an extra nutritional boost. Number 4, beans. If you're not eating beans every day, you're missing out on one of the easiest ways to fuel your body with protein, fiber, and energy. While it might sound like a lot of beans, I really do eat them pretty much every single day. For example, tonight I'm having tostadas with refried black beans. Tomorrow it's pierogies with roasted chickpeas and broccoli. I even make a pizza beans dish. Think pasta, but with beans instead of noodles. It's really, really good. And I'll probably throw in some chickpea blondies for dessert because they are a favorite of mine and my kids. Beans are incredibly versatile and can go in so many meals, from soups and salads to dips and stews, whether it's black beans or chickpeas, lentils or kidney beans, pinto beans. I'm always reaching for a can or a bag of beans. Beans and legumes are packed with plant-based protein, fiber, and complex carbs. And they're not just for vegetarians or vegans. Beans are perfect for anyone that's looking to add more fiber and more protein to their diet without spending a fortune. I frequently recommend to my clients to use beans as an affordable way to plus up their meat dishes. Think tacos with turkey and lentils, or chili with ground chicken and black beans. And that will boost the nutrition. Number 5, whole grains. These are last but certainly not least. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a good slice of bread? These complex carbs are not just delicious, they're a fantastic source of steady energy, and they are packed with fiber to support overall digestion and our health. Whole grains are definitely a staple in my diet, and I make sure to include them in a variety of ways. I might kick off my morning with a warm bowl of oatmeal, enjoy a sandwich on some homemade whole wheat sourdough bread for lunch, or toss some farro into a salad. And for dinner, brown rice is one of my go-tos for a stir fry or grain bowl. The real magic in whole grains lies in the fact that they are complex carbs, and that means that they digest slowly, providing a steady source of energy throughout the day, no blood sugar spikes or crashes. And the fiber is awesome. It keeps you fuller longer, it supports healthy digestion, it supports our gut health and our gut microbiome, and helps to regulate blood sugar. So the next time you're planning a meal, swap out refined carbs like white bread or white rice for whole grains, and you'll not only feel better, but your body will thank you. So there you have it, 5 foods that I eat every day that are simple, nutrient-packed, and absolutely versatile. You can easily incorporate these foods into your daily routine, and I promise you will feel the difference. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more nutrition tips. And for even more ideas on healthy eating, check out my video on the top foods to fight inflammation next. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, eat well, be well, thrive.